Of atom. Have you ever wondered how scientists came across the discovery of nucleus? To understand exactly that, we'll be going through Rutherford's gold foil experiment. To understand the setup of this experiment, Rutherford took a thin sheet of gold foil and a source of alpha particle. So basically, what was the thing observed by him? Let's understand here. Basically, when alpha particles were passed through this gold thin sheet foil, what was observed that majority of the alpha particles were going straight through the gold foil. Some particles were showing deflection at small angle, as we can say here, here, and here, and some of the alpha particles were getting deflected at 180-degree angles. That was, they were coming exactly like this. So why is this happening? What are the conclusions that we can understand from here? Basically, what we can conclude from here is that majority of the portion in the atom is vacant, and there is something dense and something highly positive charge at the center of the atom. How can we understand that? See, alpha particles are itself a positive entity, and since they are getting deflected or repelled, that means there has to be something positive inside the inside the atom, isn't it? That means what we can understand from here is that inside the atom, at the very center, there is something positively and dense charge, tiny positive and dense, that simply talks about the discovery of nucleus. So what we can completely understand from here is that there is a small entity, positively dense small entity called as nucleus, and secondly, electrons revolve around the nucleus inside the atom's vacant space. This is it for the structure of atom. Thank you.